Hello, we're here today with breaking news that we're going through a Great Depression. Watch us as we go.
Here, what the freak are you doing?
This is our kids.
Yeah, we'll go get your sippy cup.
This is one of our kids.
Go get sippy cup,
She's
go.
drinking iced tea because we can't afford milk right now.
Go get sippy cup.
And this girl over here, she's being very stubborn. She won't go get her own sippy cup.
Go get sippy cup, Maya.
And right here, as you can see, we're making pancakes because we can't afford to cook anything else. We're almost done with our last meal of the day. We got no dinner coming forward to.
You're freaking gay, dude.
As we go to our
moving at the speed of light into eternity. Tonight is the night.